Good morning, children. Here's teacher Amina with new maths lesson. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and shining. Okay, let's see what we are going to learn in maths today. We are going to learn numbers. Okay, let's sing number song first. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, make them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Very good. Okay, now see, children, look at this. This is new number. Today we are going to learn about new number, and this is number 7. Which number is this? Number 7. Everybody say with me, number 7. Okay, now see what pictures. Wow, so many beautiful pictures here. Now look at this picture. This is butterflies. These are butterflies. Okay, now you can count them. How many butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7 butterflies. 7 butterflies. Very good. Okay, now look at this. Here are flowers. Beautiful, colorful flowers. Okay, now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7 flowers. Here are 7 flowers. Okay, now look at this. These are balls. Look at beautiful, so colorful. These are very colorful balls. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7 balls. Here are 7 balls. Wow, beautiful. Okay, now children, this is my lesson, and now my lesson is finished. What you will do, you will revise it at home. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.